All right, so this is going to be a how to operate the Hafele stove. So I'm currently staying at one of the hotels here in Thailand, and I want to boil some eggs. And right now I'm looking at it and I can't push any of the buttons, so I'm really confused, right? Well, I got your answer. So what you do now, don't just unlock it, because once you get it unlocked, then you got to do some more stuff, right? So I'm going to show you the first thing. So first, hold this for 5 seconds. That's the unlock button. So you can see that button right there, the key. And then once it's unlocked, then you can actually come over here to the turn on. So now it's on. Now you can pick which stovetop you want to operate. So in this case, I'm using the bottom one. So I'm going to use the bottom. And then you just set it to heat. Okay? Now, so once you've done that, then you make sure it's working. You'll hear it beep, and you can see it's definitely working, so that's good. And then operation-wise, I'll show you how to turn it off here in a second, but the big thing is getting it unlocked, holding that button for 5 seconds, and then turning it on. Now, when you turn it off, we'll go through the steps after I've done boiled the eggs. All right, so you can see we've got it working now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, all right, so we've got a successful boil. I'm going to actually turn it off and let it come to a slow simmer. And then I will lock it again, and that's how you turn it on and off.